Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to do a review of the Undercover Ultra Flex made for the Ram 1500 with the Rambox. Now, as you know, this is actually a new item because they did not offer the Rambox cover, and they just came out with this, so this is our very first review on this. Actually, it's the very first cover we installed. Now, of course, the biggest question is, can you still use your Rambox with the cover on? Of course, that's what they're made for. Now, if you look very nicely here, you can see it's a good looking cover. It does match up the top of your truck very nicely. And it does allow you to open and close the tailgate while the cover is closed. Now, you get a left and right release mechanism. And of course you got the bed rug, which a lot of people just absolutely love the bed rug. You can tailgate on this, that's right. If you fold it like this holds 400 pounds, so two people could sit on this and tailgate a nice football game. Of course, you can also drive with this partially open. Now come over here, they have a little locking mechanisms that you can hold it and secure it. Now, you see the bed rug right here? No problem with the elements, that's right. This can be rained on because bed rug is not really a carpet. It's actually synthetic material. It's made of plastic. So it can get wet, won't hurt it. It looks very nice, and of course, the claim to fame for Undercover Ultra Flex, it does have the third fold. So this is really nice. You can go ahead and secure it right here. Now you have two, one each side. And of course, the biggest question people ask me all the time, can you drive with this open? Well, yes, this is made to be driven while this open. Make sure you secure both sides, and you can drive around with it. And it does a couple things. Besides giving you full access to the bed, so if you want to put a motorcycle back here, an all-terrain vehicle, or even a couch, you have full access to the bed. And also, if you notice here, it does have a drainage system. So if any water was to get past the nice seal here, instead of going into the bed, it does catch it and drains it out. Now on the new model, they're giving you not 2, but 4 drainage tubes. So it does a little better job at keeping water from getting into the bed. Now, no cover is waterproof, and anyone's telling you that, they're mistaken. But it does a very good job of keeping the water out. Now, Undercover also does a very nice job with manufacturing the cover. And that's why they give you a 5-year manufacturer warranty right from the factory. Now, if we install it for you like we did with this customer, we're going to give you a full 1-year labor guarantee, which covers all your labor for an entire year. Adjustments, whatever you went off-road, you shook it up, it's not closing right, that's covered. Now, as you can see, this is very easy to close. Not much, whoops. Of course, if I undo it. Okay. And these have little things to hold it. Okay. If you look really closely, you can see it's got a real nice flush look here. And it does look very nice with this. Again, a real good looking cover. I do like the Undercover. It's one of our more popular covers. It fits nice, it looks nice. I am so glad they have come out with the Rambox edition. And this is really going to help a lot of customers that want the Undercover for their particular truck. Again, if you like what you see, make sure you like our video. And of course, we do appreciate when you subscribe to our channel. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. You have a great day.